2 makeup. I'm sorry. Okay, doing part 2 of makeup. So first thing, you wash your face, but I already washed it. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with blush. Blush? Alright, I forgot. This. But you're supposed to put it there and there and there and there. But some people put a lot. So you take this and you put it like this. And put some more here. And right around here. And over here. Now you put it in all the spots. You need use eyeshadow. Alright, I forgot to tell you, we're doing party makeup. So you put some right around here. I'm gonna use purple and a bit of red. Before I used purple and blue, I think. Oh yeah. Now you put purple. I'm sorry for the camera moving, okay? So you put it there and a bit here. Now we need some red. Red right here. Now you put it a bit there and a bit right around there. Now perfect. Now you put on lipstick. So you only need like a bit of lipstick, not all around. You need like, you only put it under and you do this. It will be all done. That's better. Not all around. Some people put it all around. Okay, anyways, let's go. The next one is gonna be this. So yeah, you're supposed to pour it, put it there, and put it like this. I think. Yeah, this is what you do, right? I don't really know, but I see Mom do this all the time. Anyways, let's just keep doing this. And I'm sorry again for the camera moving. I keep getting it with my thing. Anyways, this is party makeup. I'm trying to do party makeup. Now, we're gonna go blush next. Right here, blush. We're gonna do a bit of blush. Only a bit. And go on the other side. Put some blush. I did have a bit of pictures when I was like a kid. When I went into elementary school, I did have my, what was it? Yes, Granny maked up me. Put it like blush, put it everything. She's pretty good at it. I'm doing wrong here. I'm wrong. Let me just get some paper. Okay, got some here. So if you've done wrong, you only need like to put water in here or no water at all. It's easy to get makeup off. But yeah, I need to put this on again. A bit of it. But yeah. It's unfortunately makeup, but I'm gonna do part 1. But Mom, did Mama do better when I was like in elementary school? Because that was I had a whole entire hat, a whole entire dress. I was like in prom, but for kids. Anyways, someone did go with me. It was like my friend. But I completely forgot about her. I was like in elementary school, I think. Oh, sorry again. Now, time to put the blush again. Now, put some right around here. And put a bit right here. Now, that's done. Blush is done. Now, I forgot to put this on when I was doing lipstick. Anyways, this is like to put around your lipstick. I guess. No, it was around your lips. What is this called, Mom? I forgot. I guess. I don't know if it goes. It's hard doing this. Okay, now we need to put this on. Why does it keep falling when I put it? I'm bad at this. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's right. Now you're supposed to put it like this. Okay, a bit there. It doesn't really go perfect with me since I already have a good one. Yeah, guys, you're supposed to put it right here. There, perfect. Now, I'm just gonna say I'm finished with that since I don't have this. Now, to make it natural, you're supposed to use this. And do this. It looks awful. Should have not put it. Oh my god! Where is it? Okay, here. I'm taking it off. I don't even know if it's getting off. Yup. This is hard. It's hard to take it off. I guess. Now, right. I forgot to put this thing. Mom said it was supposed to glow, the thingy. I don't know. But it go perfect. I think. I don't know. So since I put it on red, this goes perfect since it's pinkish red. I was trying to go for a pink color, that's why I comboed purple and red. That's why I tried to go there as like purple color. A pink color. So this goes perfect. Yeah guys, that's gonna be the ending of the video. Bye! I still don't know if I'm gonna do part 3. But make sure to subscribe and like and ring the bell to notify to all our new videos. Bye guys! Make sure to subscribe. Bye!